Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the booth. Yeah, can't believe I.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tatiyonna Raelynn back with another video. We're gonna construct a wig today, sis. But these are the things that we'll need to construct our wig. I'm just showing you guys, even though I put them in the previous clip before. So girl, let's get cute for Valentine's Day. So now we're going to take the T-pins and put them in your frontal. You want to take that piece and put it straight down. You don't want to push your frontal back, because otherwise, like when you cut your ear tabs, it's just going to be all weird. And make sure you have the kind of flappy part in the front. That's how you know that your frontal is on right. You want to go ahead and start sewing in the middle, and then work side 1 and then side 2. It's okay, just go ahead and cut the thread, it's fine. It just makes sure everything is balanced on both sides. And also do not sew through like the elastic part, because if you do, your wig will not stretch, okay?
I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound.
So go ahead and start sewing in your first bundle. We're gonna go in a smiley face shape. Go ahead and lock your track in really well. You want to go ahead and double knot it around the needle. And I double my tracks because I like my wigs fuller. It's completely up to you, whichever you prefer, but I'm sure everyone likes full hair, so double your tracks. And you also want to go ahead and put the T-pin in to hold the track. It's just so much easier instead of holding the track and the needle. So go ahead and do that and start sewing. So right about here, you want to gear away from the smiley face shape and you want to go more parallel towards your frontal so that your track will lay seamless on top of your frontal.
I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound of it.
Yes, sis, we are done. We got our wig all ready. And now we're going to go ahead and take off your cap off of the blockhead. And you want to go ahead and cut all that extra cap that's left off. You guys, make sure you do not cut the thread. I thought I did because your whole wig will unravel and you'll be pissed. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.